Yo, what's going on, lads and lassies? Welcome back to Crypto Daily on this analysis video on Ethereum. So if we take a look at the chart, Ethereum did experience a pretty severe dip here. This was caused by Trump increasing tariffs for Mexico, Canada and China. Then Trump did pause the tariffs for Canada and Mexico, which is why we saw this big pump. We came as high as 2,883, which is the exact level the CME gap was lying at. And then since then, Ethereum has been consolidating between the resistance at 2,886 and 2,708. I do expect within the next couple of weeks for this support level at 2,700 to break and for Ethereum to come back down and test this previous low down at 2,148. As what typically happens when you see big corrections like this is you do have a bit of a pump and then price comes back down to the previous low, forming a double bottom, and then pump accelerates hard towards the upside. In order for Ethereum to remain bullish, we do have to hold the support level at 2,700 and ideally break above this resistance at 2,883, form a couple 4-hourly candles above it, and then push towards the next resistance up at 3,022. We take a look at the indicators. Some of them are starting to flip bullish. However, the overall market sentiment, as you can see, is still very bearish. And if we go on to the 5 minutes, you can see that whales have been selling pretty heavily. They are starting to buy a bit now, but overall the market sentiment is still fairly bearish and there is a lot of fear in the market at the minute. Something that I like to do is ask ChatGPT to use technical analysis and market research to predict future price action. So the exact question that I asked it was, using technical analysis and market research, do you think ETH will go up by 10% or down by 10% first? Give me the odds as a percentage. ChatGPT then gave me a very detailed report, which I will now read to you. Technical analysis indicates that Ethereum is currently testing critical support levels around 2,750. Maintaining this support is crucial for a potential upward movement. If ETH holds this level, it could target the 3,000 resistance zone. Conversely, failing to sustain this support may lead to decline towards the 2,500 level. I totally agree with this, and if you take a look at the chart, this is in line with my support and resistance zones. ChatGPT then went on to say, considering the recent volatility and the critical support levels being tested, there is a heightened risk of downward movement if the support does not hold. Therefore, I estimate the probability of Ethereum declining by 10% before increasing by 10% to be approximately 60%. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unforeseen factors can significantly influence price movements. I totally agree with this. After doing my technical analysis, I do expect Ethereum to come back down and test this level down at 2,150. However, that being said, the crypto markets are very uncertain, and if some bullish news does come out, then that could propel Ethereum towards the upside. This is all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.